In this video, you'll learn what Calendly is and how it functions as a scheduling tool. By the end, you will understand its features and how to effectively use it to streamline your appointment scheduling. Calendly is an online scheduling tool designed to simplify the process of booking meetings and appointments. It eliminates the back and forth emails typically associated with finding a suitable time for both parties. Instead, users can share their availability and allow others to select a time that works for them. To start using Calendly, navigate to the official website. Upon arrival, you will see options to either sign up or log in. If you are new to Calendly, click on the sign up button, which is usually located prominently on the homepage. After selecting this option, you will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Once you've signed up and logged in, you will be directed to your Calendly dashboard. This is where you can manage your events and settings. To create a new event type, click on the event types option, which is typically found on the left side of the screen. After this, select the Create Event Type button, which will allow you to choose between a one-on-one meeting, group event, or collective event. As you create your event type, you will need to fill in details such as the event name, duration, and any specific instructions for invitees. Once you've entered this information, you can set your availability by selecting the days and times that you are free to meet. It is important to consider your time zone, as this will affect how others see your availability. After finalizing your event type, you will receive a unique link that you can share with others. This link allows them to view your available times and select a slot that works for them. When someone books an appointment, you will receive a notification and the event will automatically be added to your calendar. Be aware that if your calendar is synced with other platforms such as Google Calendar or Outlook, this integration will help prevent double bookings. Lastly, it's essential to regularly check your Calendly settings to ensure they align with your scheduling needs. You can adjust your availability, customize notifications, and even set buffer times between meetings to give yourself a breather. This flexibility is what makes Calendly a powerful tool for managing your time efficiently. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.